Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to add your Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is, of course, you'll have to download the Business Meta application. Okay, so just tap on Tools at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on Settings. Okay, as you can see from the list of the options, you just have to tap on Instagram. Now you'll be able to see the connect account options. You just tap on it and then click on confirm. Okay, so just wait. Now you just have to tap on your account username on Instagram and then your password and then click on logged in. Okay, just wait for a couple of seconds. And that's it. Congrats, you have finally connected your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite. So just click on OK. So to check if it's really legit, you just have to go back to your main page, and then from there you'll be able to see your Meta Business Suite and your Instagram account is connected. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.